The issue I'm having is that my six-pack is kind of bulging out, not sucked in, not pulled in, but I'd like to have lean six-pack ripped, not bulky abs. But I'd ask, what exercises are you doing to really train your transverse abdominis? So that's the inside core muscle that you have, the stabilizer muscle. So if you're doing a lot of crunches, maybe take some of those crunches out, maybe put more planks in there, put more stability ball work, other core strengthening exercises.
It's really important you're not training your abs the wrong way so they get that pushed out turtle belly look. You know what I'm talking about when you have a six-pack but it's on top of your gut? Nobody wants that, and today I'm going to show you what you might be doing wrong with your ab exercises and any exercise for that matter, and the #1 secret that can change your physique. So this would be the modified version, which is what I recommend you start with, and just so you can focus on tightening and contracting those lower abs. Now in the plank, your goal is to keep your abs tight during the entire duration of the plank. So there's really no expansion and contraction here. It's like contraction and hold, because the lower abs really need to be trained in that way to where they just maintain that tightness. And that way, when you're just walking about, just living your life, your abs stay tight and they're used to that position, right? So this is one of the greatest waist slimming moves because your waist is being trained to be small and flat like this. Fill the belly up with air like a balloon, good, and then contract. Yeah, perfect. So can you do it now? Yes, look at how hard they get. And then go ahead and expand. Yeah, and go. That's so much harder, huh? Yes, come on down, and the abs lift in. Yes, and just a few seconds here, you will start to shake and you will feel it, right? Yes. Make sure you make that mind to muscle connection and you really learn how to train your abs inward. Remember that these tips aren't just for your workouts, but any time of day, even when you're standing doing computer work or you're sitting driving in the car, you can always be thinking about pulling the belly button in towards your spine.
It could be just what you're eating, it could be the bloating that you have. You may have some intolerances to lactose or something like that, but give those ideas a try.
If you are interested in having more and different workouts, there is much more in this program. It has gym exercises included as well, which we went downstairs and filmed. Yeah, so much. And it all has video demos to show you exactly how to do things with proper form.
You can do everything at home. You don't need any equipment.
Yeah, you don't have to go to the gym, but you can use these at the gym as well. So whichever way works for you. And the workouts are quick and very effective, and you will definitely see ab definition.